Okay, here's another napping bee. It's just amazing. And I guess you're just taking a break. I'm gonna touch it. Nope, didn't wake him up. But I've seen enough to know Charlie woke one up yesterday. Very, very funny, I guess. You see that squirrel, baby? Do you see that squirrel? Why don't you climb that tree? Go get her. Go get that squirrel. Bark her down out of that tree. You're a funny girl. Since the day we got you, you've been squirrel crazy. Who knows where that squirrel is? Who knows? Oh, look. Somebody else with good taste.
Yeah, what? Breezy is, his is due, but I had enough heartworm pills because Sonny died, and then I've been using her. They ran out in May, but I don't want to have to go until I absolutely have to.